In this video, we're gonna create this stunning blog. We'll see how to set up your blog, customize the colors and fonts to your preference and make it unique. You'll learn how to add posts, create categories for your blog entries, and include an About Me card with your name, a short message, and your social media links. We'll also cover connecting a newsletter to your website and adding a cool calendar widget that filters posts by month. The best part, this blog is fully responsive for tablets and mobile screens. But that's not all. You'll be able to create 3 more designs for your blog by following the same steps in this video. Let me show you those 3 other blog designs. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. I'm assuming you have already purchased hosting, set up a domain, and installed WordPress. Let's navigate to Appearance tab and click on Themes. Next, select Add New Theme and search for Ocean WP. It's a highly popular theme, and for this video, we'll be using its free version. Click on Install and then activate the theme. Next, we'll install a plugin from Ocean WP. Navigate to Add New Plugin and search for Ocean Extra. Click on Install and then activate this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will notice the Ocean WP settings in the sidebar. Click on Ocean WP and then scroll down. Select Install Demos. Scroll down once more, and you'll find all the templates provided by the theme that you can use. As you can see, we have numerous templates available here aside from the blog option. Feel free to explore and use any template by following the steps outlined in this video. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the blog template. Let's select the blog option, where you'll find all 4 blog designs I showed at the beginning of this video. You can click on Live Preview to preview the design. Let's open the first one. This will be the template we're gonna install. You can check out the design here. Now let's return to WordPress and import the template. After clicking on Import button, it will ask you to install a few other plugins which are needed for this template to work properly. Let's install all of these one by one. Now click on Go to the Next Step button. Here it will ask you if you want to import the demo data as well. We'll import it to see how it looks. We can delete it later on. Let's hit on Install this demo button. The import process may take some time to complete and set up everything for you. Once it's finished, click on See the result. Here you can see in just a few simple steps your blog is up and running. But now the real work begins. We'll need to explore how we can customize the blog and upload our own content. Let's return to the WordPress dashboard. Now, let's explore where you can locate the posts and categories uploaded on your website. In the left sidebar, navigate to Posts and click on All Posts. These are all the posts uploaded on your website. Now, let's learn how to add a new post. Click on Add New Posts. Here you can input your title. Next, you can begin writing your post content here. I'll quickly add some demo text for the post. On the right hand side, click on Post and scroll down. Here you will find a list of categories created on your website. You can assign any category from this list. If you don't assign one, the post will be automatically categorized as uncategorized by default. Let's scroll down, and from here you can assign a featured image to your post. This is the featured image. Let's add one for this post as well. Now let's publish the post and see how our post look on the front end. Looking good, right? Let's return to WordPress to learn how to add categories now. Under the post section, click on Categories. Here you'll find all the categories created on our website. To add a new one, simply enter a name and leave everything as is. Then click on Add New Category button. Now let's check if it's displaying in the post. As you can see, our new category is now visible. Let's select this one for the post. Since we have a good understanding of how posts and categories work on our website, let's begin customizing the website. We'll start by updating the menus. Let's navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Heads to Appearance and click on Menus. Here you'll find your menu. Let's add our new category to it. On the left hand side, click on Categories. If you don't see this option, scroll to the top and click on Screen Options and make sure Categories is checked here. Once done, click on Categories again and then select View All. Here you will see all the categories on your website. Checkmark the category you wanna add. Then click on Add to Menu. You will find your category added to the bottom of the menu. Save the menu and let's see it on the front end. Refresh the page. It's appearing here, but let's explore how to change its position. Let's go back to the menus. Simply click on the category and drag it to the desired position. I leave it at the second position. Now save the menu. And here you can see your category. Next, let's delete all the other demo categories. To delete a menu item, click on the arrow and select the Remove button. Let's remove all of them. Don't forget to save the changes. Now let's check on the front end. We have successfully deleted demo categories from the menu. However, they are still assigned to posts. Let's proceed to delete the categories from our website entirely to ensure they don't appear anywhere. To delete categories, let's open the categories page. You can select the categories from here and then choose the bulk action. Select the delete action. Uncheck the new category that we just created. Hit on Apply button and this will delete all the categories. Let's go to the front end and refresh the page. And as you can see that all the categories are gone and posts are assigned to uncategorized. This is the default category assigned to posts if no other category is specified. Now let's proceed to delete all the demo posts as well. Click on all posts. Select all the posts from here. Uncheck the one that we just created. Select the bulk action. Click on Move to Trash and hit Apply button. 19 posts have been deleted. Now again repeat the action. Uncheck the blog that we just created. Move to Trash and hit on Apply button. This will delete all the posts from our website. Let's go to the front end, refresh the page and see we have got just one post left. Now let's explore how to edit the right sidebar. Go to WordPress, navigate to Appearance and click on Widgets. Here you will see all the sections available for editing displayed in the right sidebar. Let's start editing with About Me. Click on it to change the title. Let's change it to About Me. Next, you can change your image. In order to change it, open your media library. Upload your image here using Add New Media File button. Then select your image and click on Copy URL to Clipboard. Go back to Widgets and paste your URL here. Next, you can update your name and description here. Scrolling down, you will find the social links section. Here you can add links to your profiles. Note that some options like LinkedIn are not currently showing on front end because they don't have any links or hashtags as placeholders here. Essentially, any social profiles options here that have links added to them will start showing on the website. Let me show you an example. So we don't have any LinkedIn icon here. Let's add hashtag as a placeholder, you will add your actual link instead of hashtag. Refresh this, and as you can see, we have got the LinkedIn icon here. The profile image has also updated. Next, we have this section where currently the recent posts are showing, but if you have noticed, we already are showing recent posts in a different design from this widget. So we can either delete this widget or the below this one to remove the redundancy. So I'm gonna delete this one now. To delete a widget, click on the widget and then click on these three dots, scroll down, hit the delete button, and the widget will be deleted. Now we need to delete the heading as well. So I'm gonna repeat the same process. Click on these three dots, hit the delete button. Now we have got this empty block, so we're gonna delete this one as well. Now let's move to the newsletter section. So you can change the title and this text from here. Additionally, you will need to connect your newsletter API keys and list ID in the theme setting. We'll see how to do that shortly. Moving down further, we have calendar widget. You can add a title to it if you prefer. Currently, this is how it appears. If you add a title here, the title will appear on the calendar like this. Next, let's explore how to connect your newsletter to the website. Let's move back to the WordPress. So if you don't have a newsletter yet, you can simply delete that widget. However, if you already have one, you can follow along. Click on Ocean WP, scroll down, click on Integration, scroll down again, and you can add your MailChimp newsletter API here and audience ID here, and then save changes. So this will connect your newsletter to the website. Next, let's explore how you can edit the single post template. This template is used to display all your posts when they are open. For example, let's click on this post and see how it looks. So this is the design for your single post template. So all the posts that you have, when somebody opens it, it will display like this. Now let's head to the WordPress dashboard to edit this. Head to Appearance and click on Customize. Now click on Blog, click on Single Post. Here you can see the settings on the left hand sidebar for your single post template. Let's open the post from here so that we can see the changes real time. So the first setting here allows you to choose between different layout options. The current one displays right sidebar. Let's explore other layouts. This one has a sidebar on the left and this one has no sidebar. Similarly, the fourth and fifth option also change the layout differently. The fifth one shows two sidebar on both sides, but currently we have only one sidebar set up. So for this particular template, the fifth one won't be showing a second sidebar. Now let's scroll down. From here you can choose between different meta styles. So this one is the minimal. Let's select the second style. And as you can see, the style has changed slightly. Let's scroll down further. And from here, you can choose what metadata you want to show or what to hide. If you click on this metadata, then you can see the published date has now gone. Similarly, if you want to hide reading time, you can do so. And if you want to show them again, you can just click on it. Let's scroll down. Here you can adjust the positioning of elements. Let's scroll down the page. Change the layout back to the default one. And let's see. If I want to show the comments at the top, I can drag it to the top. And you can see the comment section is now showing at the top. I'll drop it back to the bottom. And if you don't want to show your title here, you can just click on it and it will hide it. I'll show it back. Now if you scroll down further, this is the meta box. So these are again some more feature options that you can show or hide by clicking on them. Now let's scroll down. So here you can select the counts for your related posts. Since we don't have any other post right now, so they are not showing here. Let me quickly add a new post so that I can show you how it will display here. So I have added some posts and they are showing here like this. You can control the count for the post. Currently we are showing 3. We want to show 2, then we can do so like this. Or if we want to completely hide this section, we can scroll up and then click on this related post and it will hide the section. Lastly, you can check how your page looks on tablet and mobile screens from here. Once you are done with your changes, click on Publish button here. To return to WordPress dashboard, click on the cross icon. Now, let's see how you can change your logo and these social icons in the menu. Go to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and click on Header. Select the header from here, click on the logo, and here you can change the logo for the desktop. Click on this Change Logo button, select a new logo. Click on the Publish button to save the changes. Let's see it on the mobile screen. As you can notice, the logo for the mobile screen is not changed. To change the logo for mobile and tablet, let's click on this back arrow and select Mobile menu. Here you can select the logo for your mobile screen. Click on Publish button to save the changes. Lastly, let's see how you can edit social icons in the header. Let's go back and click on Social menu. Scroll down and here you can add your links to social profiles. If you don't want to show any icon, just leave that empty. For example, if I go back to desktop view, open the menu and remove this Facebook hash character from here, then you'll notice that the Facebook icon has gone from the menu. Hit the Publish button and let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Now the last thing is to learn how you can update the fonts and color on your website. Let's head to Appearance, click on Customize, select Typography, and let's try changing the font family for all the headings. As you can see, the heading font has updated. To change the colors, go back to the main menu, select General Options, then General Styling. Here you can update the main colors for your website. Now to see how you can change the colors of your buttons, go back to the menu, select Theme Buttons. Here you can update the colors of your buttons. Once the changes are made, let's click Publish and return to WordPress dashboard. So this is how you can create your WordPress blog. There is much more that we can do with this blog. There are many other customizations and additional features we can add to it. But to keep it simple and focus to the main features, we have only discussed the necessary parts. Feel free to explore other templates available in the Ocean WP theme as well. You can follow the same steps to create the blogs with other templates too. Some things may be different, but after following this tutorial, you will have an understanding of how to take care of those different steps. I hope this video was helpful and wish you best of luck for starting your new blog. So that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next web salon.